morning. Today's the third day that we're here. And I think we're going to the beach today. We woke up not early this morning, at like 8:45, and did some exercise. So did my mum. And now we're just getting ready. Here's my baby. And then we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna have some breakfast and go to the beach. My mum and you are now just inside booking a little cruise for tomorrow. Jacob's been the most annoying boy in the world right now. Just constantly crying, whinging. He's really doing everyone's head in. Harry's just playing football, and we're about to head over to the beach. Jacob's first time at the beach. No, second time actually. What do you think, baby? Do you like it?
Yes.
That's good. Harry,
second time on the beach.
Yeah. That's the view, and there's Georgia. Georgia's crying again.
It's like that way, so I'm like.
Keep digging, Jacob.
We're by the outdoor pool now. Here's Georgia. The sun's shining finally. This is the pool. Yay, I'm happy. Sat by the pool. Smile. Smile, Jacob. I can't see anything. If I'm honest, I can't see anything. It's very sunny. It's very nice. I'm getting a nice tan. Jacob will walking back to the room now to get him some water, because we're also sat by the pool and I did use his bottle for a vodka orange, so he's not able to drink that. But he's doing such good walking, aren't you, baby? Good job. But yeah, it's really nice and sunny and we're home. Very happy. We're having an absolute whale of a time. Yay! This way, we don't want to drop our key down the drain. Good boy. Yeah, happy, happy, happy. Jacob, kick! Good boy! Let him move, Harry. Harry, let him move. Let him move forward. We're just getting ready to go out now. I just took a shower. Georgia's back down in her flat, getting ready. Harry's waiting my beauty blenders for me because he's my little servant. I'm just doing my makeup, ready to go out, and I'll show you my outfit in a minute. You can see my dodgy tan lines, which is embarrassing in this dress. But yeah, we're ready to. I'm going to Italian. I'm going to an Italian. Thank you. For a taxi now to take us to dinner. Yeah, there's Jacob. Harry's being misery guts over there. And then there's Mum, Ewan, and here comes Georgia. Yeah, looking forward to dinner.
Yeah, that's right.
Out for dinner now. Here's Harry. And we're in Italian. There's Jacob. There's everybody. Yeah. And I ordered risotto. Cheers!
I've got an 11-hour layover.
We've got Hawaiian pizza, Jacob got margarita, Mum got bolognese, Georgia chicken pesto, you got pizza. Mum, I've not even tried it yet. And I want
I'm so pissed off with everything. Yeah. Annoyed with the world for no reason. And then I just say words aggressively. Because German language just sounds aggressive. Yeah. Even if there's a meant to be.
Yeah.
Ich habe meine Hausaufgaben.
Yeah.
Careful! Just finishing up dinner. This is the restaurant we're at. It's really lovely. And we're just, Jacob's playing outside. Limoncello shots and some almonds. These are come for cocktails now. this is where we are. At the same place we had lunch the other day. And I think they got tequila sunrise. Just got a blue something. And they're just gonna get cash out of the card machine because they didn't take card here. Yeah, I'm having fun. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm going on our boat tour, so everybody's up. We got up at like 8 and it's now nearly 9. I'm about to head down and get a taxi to go to the boat cruise. Here's Jacob once again. Being a winch bag. That's the pirate ship that we're getting on. That's the marina. Then the ocean. There's FG. We're on the pirate ship now. I'm about to set off. Set sail. Pretty good. And these three are big wimps. Had to put their jackets on. Jacob is in his life jacket to get a little boat. I'm pretty sure we take this little boat into these caves here. There's loads of different ones. So, yeah, you can't wait. That's fine. Yes, we're on the boat now, the little boat. Woohoo! There's Mum and Jacob. Going into the cave. Yeah, that's okay. No sunshine this time, there's Mum. Here's my baby. Georgia having the time of her life. We're back on the big boat now. We've finished at the tour around the cave. So we're just waiting for the other groups to go around now, and then we'll head back to shore and get Jacob some lunch because he's hungry. The Pearson's enjoying the cruise. We're back on the land now and we're about to go for lunch. We're going to go to the burger bar to get lunch and then we're going to get crepes after. We're at their place now. Jacob. And we got burgers. We got ice creams now. I got cookie flavour, Harry got a sorbet. Mum got a sorbet and Ewan got after 8 flavour. And we're just walking by the river. And it's very nice and hot. It's about 23 degrees. I've not filmed in a while. We came back from Jacob's playing Knockadora. I love you. We came back from the boat tour and going around I think Portimao. And then we went and sat on the balcony, Jacob had a nap, and then I went and sat by the pool, just soaked up to as much sun as I possibly could. And now we are about to go for dinner, so I'm going to quickly put on some makeup because we're going in about 20 minutes. And then ready to go, and I'll show you when we get there. This is gorgeous mum's outfit for the night. White pants and a white denim jacket. There's Harry. We're at dinner and I got ribs. Harry and Judge got lasagna. Ewan got,
Pork medallions.
yeah. Mum got curry.
Yeah. No.
Oh, stir fry. And Jacob got chips.
Your fingers are going to get very greasy.
Put them on a napkin.
Oh,
You can do it one at a time. Harry got dessert, strawberry ice cream. Of course he did. Do it to Harry. You're so cute.
Are you going to
baby.
kiss Harry better? Kiss Harry better. Kiss Harry better. Give him a kiss better. Because he went ouchie. Kiss better.
Give Harry a kissy.
Kiss him better. No, not that.
He's showing off for the camera.
That's nice. Kiss Harry better.
Thank you.
He didn't kiss you better.